Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia, and in this video it is week 2 of 12-week fall cleaning challenge. Last week there were several ladies that had joined me in the cleaning challenge. I'm hoping there will be several more this week. I will be working on living room and my dining room this week. I'm hoping to do it over 3 days. If this is your first time seeing this video, what this is about is I have 12 weeks, and every week I have a different area that I am cleaning, but I am not cleaning regular spaces that I clean on my weekly basis. I'm cleaning things that I don't typically clean, like windows, curtains, baseboards, under the couch, inside the couches, all those type of things. So it's kind of like zone cleaning or cleaning cart system. If you're not familiar with those, I can leave a link down below for those. I will also be leaving a link down below to my blog where I have a PDF list that you can download if you want to follow along and do what I'm doing, just to kind of give you an idea of what needs to be cleaned. You don't necessarily have to do the same spaces as I am, but if you want to, the list is down below for you to download and print and follow along. So without further ado, this is Monday and I will be working on my living room. I'm gonna start with baseboards, then I'm gonna take my curtains down, wash them, and I'm going to clean my windows. I will also be vacuuming the couches and the chairs and cleaning underneath the couch, just because I have a dog and there's a lot of hair. I will also be washing the dog bed, which is part of my zone cleaning for this room. So I'm going to get started. This time I also like to deep clean the dog's bed. I take the cover off and take it upstairs to wash, and take the whole bed outside to air out. And this bed is from Costco. It has that active charcoal in it. It's supposed to prevent it from smelling, but every couple weeks I like to give the cover a wash. The mop that you see me using is a Norwax wand, and it has the hair pet removal thingy attached to it. So this is it for this room. There's really not a lot to do. And then tomorrow and the day after I will be working on my dining room, just because there's a bit more stuff to do that needs to be done. So I want to give myself 2 days. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to take me 2 days, but I'd like to give myself 2 days. So welcome to day 2. Today I am working on my dining room, and I just looked it over, and I don't think there is 2 days worth of stuff to do here. So I will take this day to finish it. I'm gonna start it and finish it, and I'm going to start with decluttering these drawers and then over in that cabinet. So let's get started.
We're not getting out of this one. Getting out of this one. Driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
The room is done. It literally took me under 20 minutes to do this. I don't touch anything inside the glass part of the cabinet. I usually clean all that up in springtime, and it stays closed, so it's not even dusty in there. So this concludes week 2 challenge. I will have the week 3 list linked down below in my blog, in the description box, so make sure you check it out if you want to play along. So thank you so much for watching, and for those of you that are cleaning along with me, thank you so much, and looking forward to what next week brings. Thank you guys, and hope you have a wonderful day.
We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need any